Students, all of you answer my questions. Say some natural things. Yes, very good. Mountain, sand, water, stone. Yes, very good. Rain. From these, which one do you like most? Yes, sand, water, rain. Okay, yes, some boys told stone, isn't it? Yes, very good, students. From these, which one do you enjoy? Yes, always rain, isn't it? All are like rain, and we should play in the rain also, isn't it? That is very enjoying, isn't it? What would you like to do when it rains? Yes, you like to make a boat, isn't it? Yes, very good, students. And why are you not allowed to go out and play in the rain? Why your parents not allowed to play in the rain, isn't it? Yes, why? You say the reason. Yes, if you play in the rain means you may affect sickness. That means cold, cough, fever, isn't it? Yes, so that only your parents not allowed to play in the rain, isn't it? Yes. And the next one. Have you punished by your parents if you have broken your toys? Listen carefully. Have you punished by your parents if you are broken your toys? Yes. If you have broken your toys, your parents must punish, isn't it? Or must scold you, isn't it? Yes, okay. And one boy was punished by his parents. And how he punished? What happened to him? Let us hear in this poem. Today we are going to study about a poem. If you hear this sound and listen carefully, say what is the sound of this sound. Yes, the name of this sound is pitter patter. So, the rain sound is pitter patter. Okay, let me listen. The rain sound is pitter patter. Today we are going to study about the poem 3, The Raindrops. Okay, and this poem was written by J.E. Brownie. And Brownie is very small little boy. Okay, this little boy talked with the rain. And what he talked with the rain, let us see in this poem. All of you take down your English book and turn the page number 42. And you should listen what I am reading. Okay. And also you should repeat what I am reading. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? And he talked with the rain. Pitter patter down the window pane. ஸோ இது யாரை பார்த்து சொல்கிறான்? இந்த ரெயினை பார்த்து நீ எங்கேருந்து வர்ற? ஸோ இந்த என்னுடைய விண்டோ பெயின்னு அர்த்தம் இந்த ஃபாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் இன் த விண்டோ. ஸோ அந்த விண்டோவில் வந்து நம்ம பார்த்தோன்னா கிளாஸ் விண்டோ இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதில் மழை பட்டு வரும்போது எப்படி இருக்கும்? அது ஒரு வித்தியாசமாக ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். அது நம்ம காரில் போகும்போது இந்த மழை வந்து அந்த தண்ணியில் அந்த கண்ணாடியில் படும்போது பட்டு விழும்போது இன்னும் அழகாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வரக்கூடிய அந்த மழையை பார்த்து அவன் சொல்கிறான். Where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter. The pitter patter is the sound of rain falling. So, and the next one. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. And they here he mentioned, they means his parents. And his parents not allowed to go walk, and his parents not allowed to walk in the rain, not allowed to play in the rain, not allowed to go anywhere. Okay, so that he talked with rain. And then third stanza. They put away my playthings because I broke them all. And then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Here also again they means his parents. And his parents have taken away all his toys because he is always naughty boy and he is broken all the toys, so that his parents have taken away all his toys, that is out of doors. And here, and also they locked up inside the room. That means here the word they locked up all my bricks. That means he is locked inside the room, which is covered by the wall of bricks, wall made by bricks. So they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. And his parents took away his ball also, isn't it? Because he is always naughty. Yes, naughty means disobedient. Naughty means disobedient. ஸோ அவன் கீழ்ப்படியாமல் இருந்து ரொம்ப சேட்டை பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருந்தனால, எல்லா டாய்ஸையும் உடச்சிட்டதுனால, ப்ரோக்கன் பண்ணிட்டதுனால என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, எல்லா டாய்ஸையும் இந்த உடஞ்ச டாய்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, வெளியில் போட்டுட்டாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறமா அவனுக்கு ஒரு லாக்ட் அப் ஆல் த பிரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னா அவனை ஒரு ரூம்குள்ளே வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, லாக் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ நீ வெளியில் போகக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, லாக் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, they took away the ball and his ball என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க, வெளியில் போட்டுட்டாங்க. Then in the fourth stanza, I'll have to see and listen here. They say, I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here all the window. I should like to play with you. They say, I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. Here and again he talked with the rain, and he say, I am very naughty. I have nothing to do. என்னால் எதுவுமே செய்ய முடியலை. I am very bored. நான் இந்த இடத்துல இந்த ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் என்ன சொல்லுது, and here the boy feels very bored. எஸ், போராக இருக்கிறதுனால என்னால் எதுவுமே செய்ய முடியல, வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே நான் தனியாக இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ என்னால் வேறு எதுவுமே என்னுடைய டாய்ஸ் இல்லை, ஸோ இதனால் விளையாட முடியலை. ஸோ என்னால் எதுவுமே ஐ ஹாவ் நத்திங் டு டூ. ஸோ என்னால் எதுவுமே செய்ய முடியல. ஐ எம் சிம்ப்ளி சிட் ஹியர், ஐ எம் சிம்ப்ளி சிட் நியர் த விண்டோ. ஸோ நியர் விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் நான் உட்காந்து பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஐ ஷுட் லைக் டு ப்ளே வித் யூ. ஸோ ஆல் ஆர் லைக் வித் த rain, isn't it? Here also the boy play with the rain, but the parents could not allow him play in the rain, isn't it? Okay, and here the speaker is a child watching raindrops and trickling down the window pane and asking them where they come from. He complains to them, and that is complain to them that his parents will not let him go out to walk and play in the rain. They have also taken away his ball bricks and the broken toys also. And his parents say he is naughty, but he complains that he is nothing else to do, isn't it? But sit at the window when he would rather play in the rain. And here the speaker is very young child, no? Yes, he want to play with the rain, but the parents did not allow because he is naughty boy. So that he locked in the room. And in the room, and the child feeling very bored and has nothing else to do, isn't it? Yes. From this poem, you should not always do naughty activities, okay? And you should a good obedient boy. Yes, then only your parents happy with you, isn't it? So always be obedient with your parents, then only your parents happy with you, okay? Don't do like the naughty boy, okay? Thank you. Students, all of you take down your English book and turn the page number 43, okay? And The A, we should finish the book exercise. Complete these sentences in a few words. Little drops of rain come down the raindrops எங்க வந்துச்சு? Yes, the window pane க்கு வந்துச்சு. அப்படிதானம்மா? So write down window pane. And the next one, the speaker cannot walk. Cannot walk dash or go out. அந்த ஸ்பீக்கரால வாக் பண்ண முடியல dash and வெளியில போக முடியல. வேற இன்னொன்னு என்ன செய்ய முடியல? Play பண்ண முடியல. So the speaker cannot walk, play or go out. The speaker's toys are kept away from him because he, so அதனால் எதுக்காக தூரத்துக்கு போட்டிருந்தாங்க? ஏன் அவர் என்ன செஞ்சார் அந்த ஸ்பீக்கர்? broken பண்ணிட்டார். So broke, B-R-O-K-E, broke them all. And the next one, the speaker wants to play in the rain, isn't it? Okay, and words in use. Match these things with the sounds they make. First of all, read the answer. Read the answers. Ding dong, splish splash, splish splash, flip flop, flip flop, tick tock, tick tock, jingle jangle, jingle jangle. So first one, the slippers. The slipper sound is, what is the slipper sound? Yes, flip flap, flip flop. A clock, tick tock. The clock is tick tock. Bangles, jingle jangle, jingle jangle. And waves, splish splash, splish splash. A bell, ding dong, ding dong. Okay. And next one. Turn the next page. Read the poem again. Match how the speaker is feeling in this sentence. Okay. In the first stanza, the speaker feels a sense of wonder. Yes, this is the correct match, isn't it? And the first stanza only feels the sense of wonder. And the second stanza, the speaker feels sad. Yes, very good. Is also correct para. And the fourth stanza, the speaker feels bored. It's also correct part. The fourth stanza tells boring, isn't it? And do you like the rain? Yes, you should say why or why not. And what do you do if you cannot go out to play because it is raining? Yes, you are always still in your house, isn't it? Still you are in your house and stay in your house, isn't it? Okay. And draw any three things that you see when it rains. So மழை பெய்யும் போது என்னென்ன பார்ப்ப? வெளியில நீ பார்க்குறது எதையாவது எழுதலாம். ஒரு ட்ரீ வரைஞ்சி அதில் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு பிளான்ட் வரைஞ்சி அதில் ஒரு லீஃபில் ரெயின் ட்ராப்ஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி, ஒரு ஃப்ளவர் வரைஞ்சி அதில் ரெயின் ட்ராப்ஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி. ஸோ ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு சின்ன நீர் போகிற மாதிரி, வாட்டர் போகிற மாதிரி, அதில் ஒரு போட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி. எனிதிங் இன் யோர் மைண்ட், தட்ஸ் யோர் upon your mind or imagine level. Okay, this is also your assignment work. That means you should finish the page number 43 as well as the 44, this match only, and also this drawing. Okay, thank you students. All of you start write your 5 note and write today's date. Turn the new page and write today's date 15/12/20 and poem 3, the raindrops. The heading, the raindrops. And first room letter, new words. And the first one, drops. D-R-O-P-S. D-R-O-P-S, drops. And the second one, pitter patter. The second one, pitter patter. P-I-T-T-E-R, pitter. P-A-T-T-E-R, patter. And the third one, window pane. Window pane. P-A-N-E, pane. Won't, won't, W-O-N-T, won't. You must put the apostrophe in between N and T. Okay. And the fifth one, locked. Locked, L-O-C-K-E-D, locked. And sixth one, bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. And the sixth one, B-R-I-C-K-S, bricks. And the seventh one, naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T, naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T, naughty. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. And the second Roman letter, synonyms. Won't, will not. Won't, will not. Let me, allow me. Let me, allow me. Naughty, disobedient. Naughty, disobedient. Pitter patter. Pitter patter, sound of the rain falling. Sound of the rain falling. Pitter patter, sound of the rain falling. Patter. Window pane. Window pane. The flat glass in a window. The flat glass in a window. And this is the synonyms. And next one is answer the following. Answer the following. Do you think the speaker is bored? Why is he bored? Do you think the speaker is bored? Why is he bored? So, speaker வந்து போர்டா இருக்கிறாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறியா? ஏன் அவர் போர்டா இருந்தாரு? Yes, the speaker is bored. Yes, the speaker is bored because he has nothing to do inside the house. He has nothing to do inside the house. And the second question என்னது, why is he bored? ஏன் போரா இருந்துச்சு? அவருக்கு உள்ள செய்யறதுக்கு எதுக்குமே வேலை இல்லை. ஏன் வேலை இல்லாம இருந்துச்சு? His parents have taken away all his toys. His parents have taken away all his toys. His parents have taken away all his toys. And the second one, who is the speaker? Who is the speaker? Yes, the speaker is the little boy, isn't it? Who is the speaker? The speaker is a little boy. The speaker is a little boy. And the third question, the last question. Is the speaker punished? Why do you think so? So, is the speaker punished? Why do you think so? Speaker punish பண்ணாங்களா? ஸ்பீக்கரை ஏன் பனிஷ் பண்ணாங்க நீ நினைக்கிற? அதுதான் அந்த கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர். Yes, the speaker is being punished for being naughty and breaking all his toys. Yes, the speaker is being punished. Yes, the speaker is being punished for being naughty and breaking all his toys. So, the speaker punish பண்ணப்பட்டாங்க. ஏன்? For being naughty. சேட்டையாக இருக்கிறது, டிஸ்ஒபீடியண்ட்டாக இருக்கிறதுனாலையும் இருப்பதற்காகவும், இன்னும் breaking all his toys, எல்லா இதையும் டாய்ஸையும் உடைச்சதுனாலையும் என்ன செய்யப்பட்டாங்க? The speaker is being punished. Okay, that's all. This is your assignment work and write your 5-digit note. And it is in the poem of 3. You should write in the 5-digit note. That is the assignment work. The first Roman letter, second Roman letter, synonyms, and the third Roman letter, answer the following. This is your assignment work. So write very neatly. Okay. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class.